There has to be something. Come on. Oh, it's a big stick. Oh shoot. Oh, I have a fish. What the heck? I literally have a fish on right now. Oh, the shot shell's coming to check out. There we go. No. Oh yeah. See, it got stuck on a fish. Come on. Literally not. It's like half a pound. That's okay. Oh, it's. Look at that little fish. First fish. Will you face point?
Hey!
Pound it.
Noggin. See ya.
Gavin, don't make me say it.
Wait, where's the prize at?
I will comment on your birth giver.
It's in there. No, it's in there. I put it back where I found it.
Yo, oh, it died. Oh no, they didn't. Is it filming? Okay, they just saw me.
If it doesn't, it's still filming.
They literally just saw me scratch.
Turning on makes more. All right.
Oh, fish. Mm. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's cooking up.
That's good. That's good footage.
That's good content.
Let's go, boys.
Oh my gosh. No way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fish on right there.
Yes, sir.
No, I think Ben just catches fish when the camera's on, bro. He goes nuts.
Like me on the MLB network.
He's like, when the cameras aren't on, he's like, he doesn't catch, man.
Dude, get a nice little close up of that fish.
Fish is off, boys.
God, we're gonna have so much. We already caught like 5. We only been here for like 30 minutes.
That's hella funny. It was literally fish the same.
Oh, Gavin's got a fish. Double up. Double up.
Dude, my drag is so tight.
I'm
Whoa.
so tight.
Oh, he's nice.
Oh, he is nice. Yeah, he is a good fish. Put this guy
So you
back.
might want to put the angle a little bit higher.
Like this.
Oh, best one of the day, Gavin. Oh, you're currently
Gavin just
all
got a
over my line.
fish.
Gavin is currently all over my line, dude.
Okay, let's keep
I
going.
cut the wrong line.
Good job, fuck face.
Oh my god.
Fish on. Let me record.
In the middle, it's crazy.
He's skating. Swim, little guy. Uh oh. Now he's so funny.
Bro, I hate this so much.
Oh, right to the freaking brain.
Hey, is this real, chat? Is this real?
Chat, is this real?
Chat, is this real?
Oh shit, that was right to the brain. You can tell because you just twitched.
Bro, hit him in the nervous system. Hey, open his mouth. Hey, do a pound it noggin.
Pound it. Noggin. See ya.
That was fast. Dude, our hook sets, dude. Hey, who wants it next? That'd actually be fire. I will say this is pretty nice, Elliot. Oh shit, fish. Big fish, guys. Is he big?
Oh, he's good.
Oh, it's a big fish, guys. It's a big fish.
Big fish. This might be a
PB, guys, new PB. Oh, that's a big fish. Land him. Land Lakes.
My worm broke.
Let's go. 3-pounder, baby. Let's sink it.
solid 4. That's a solid 4.
Let's go. That's a toad right there. Barely on, dude. You guys see that? Is it recording?
Skin hook.
Yeah. Wait, Ellie, I need my back. I have no back. Big cast.
That's him.
Got him.
That's him.
I got that.
Good fish. Good fish. Good fish.
Oh!
That's like a 6-pounder. Oh, big fish. Oh my gosh, big fish. Oh my gosh.
Get him, Ben, get him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
That might be a 7-pounder. That might be a 7-pounder.
Dude. And I got that on video.
Did you see that mega blow up?
Oh my gosh, his mouth is massive. He choked it.
Dude,
He
look how far
choked
down the
it.
throat that is. Ow. Oh
That
my
fish was
God.
not coming off.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Do you want pliers?
Yeah.
That is like that has to be at least 5. That's probably 5. That's
I think
giant.
it's like six. I think it might be 6.
That's a 6. Oh,
That is giant. Yes,
Do you have a
sir.
measuring tape?
Huh?
Measuring tape?
Yeah.
I know, get it sideways. Show that boy that belly, dude. He doesn't like being out.
I
Hold him
know.
up. Hold him up.
It's fine.
How do you even do this?
I don't know. Let's just
Open his
measure
mouth, open
him. I
his
don't want to weigh him.
Sugar.
Oh, it's not as big as the one you caught on the boat, though.
Yeah.
It's like 21.
21 inches.
Nope, no, wait.
And what about the diameter? The diameter.
The girth. Like 7
That's crazy.
or 5, 6.
All right. I'll let this pop.
Wait.
Wait, get a graceful release.
Is that good
Yeah,
enough?
those are good.
Here, I wasn't even smiling. Let me smile.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, let me get one more smiling.
Fire. 0.5?
No, he's gonna die.
Here, it's fine. He's completely fine. I'm still gonna let him smile. Shoot, come on. I need to like turn him over.
We're at the last pond. The last pond here. We fished every other one today. So we got here because if we're gonna get kicked out, it's definitely gonna be at this one. Yeah. Thanks, Elliot. Thanks, Elliot. I need to buy a new reel, because mine is because my reel is like bent. Bent.
I think it's just the handle.
It's something. Oh,
In the storm drain. Are you recording?
yeah.
On the storm drain.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's what Dude, on the storm drain, bro. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Uh-oh. I'm in his eyeball. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm good.
Get a nice shot.
Nice one. Yo, can you someone get a picture? Oh, yeah, I gotta get one for the flick.
Yeah, I can just screenshot it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wait, did you actually?
Yeah.
There's no way you waited that long.
Hopefully he didn't swallow it. Put it above the jack.
Oh, he's gonna get stuck in there. Oh, wait.
Did you get the hook set?
I think so.
Dude, the eye hook set's the hardest ever. I really feel like elevators.
All right, we gotta go, because my dad's gonna get sus.
Oh, perfect hook set side of mouth, boys.
Oh. Nice.
You can also let it sink.
All right, look.
All right, guys. Storm's brewing. We gotta head home. It's been a good video. See ya.